In this step and in the construction of the Stratus Gale, we're going to get ready to start forming the wing. The wing has this polyhedral shape to it. It's three panels. There's the outer wing, the center section, and then the other outer wing. When we assemble these, they are glued, and to make that glue joint really tight, we have to bevel the inside edge of the wood. And that's where this sanding fixture comes in. It sets the correct angle of 9 degrees. This is at 9 degrees and this is at 9 degrees. So you get 18 degrees of dihedral on your wing. So each part is sanded at 9 degrees, and that's what this fixture is for. And then to make sure that we're getting the correct 18 degrees of dihedral, we have this wing assembly jig. And we're going to assemble these now. From your parts, pull out the laser cut sheets, and we're going to take all the pieces out, and these should come out fairly easy, but if not, go ahead and take a hobby knife and get your safety glasses on and just cut the little tabs holding the pieces in. And this will probably take a minute or two, so I'm going to go ahead and pull these all out. And you also want to take out the little tabs here in the middle. So all the little tabs and all the little pieces will come out. These little tabs you can throw away. Okay, I've got all the pieces out. Next we're going to start assembling them, and you can see the two pieces that are going to go together here, and then this long piece goes in the middle. So you'll start by putting the tabs through the little slots. And one of the tricks that you can do, these are such a tight fit, to get them started, I just kind of round off the edges of those little tabs. Just kind of holding it at an angle, just trying to create a little bevel to help get it started. Just like that. I'm going to push them through all the way and do the other side. We're actually going to glue along here, just put a fillet of glue. So this is where the wood glue comes in. Have to wait for the glue to get down to the bottom. Should have got a new bottle of glue. When you get to this little cutout, just kind of skip over it because we don't want to put any glue in that little cutout. And just smooth it out with your finger. The smoother it is, the faster it's going to dry. So you don't have any big lumps. And then on the tabs on the back side, you can smear a little glue into that too. Doesn't have to be pretty. This is going to be used once, and then you won't need it ever again, unless you're going to build multiple copies of the rocket. This is where your paper towels come in handy. Just wipe your finger off. Squeeze it together really good. Make sure it's level, everything's squared up. and then set it on a nice flat surface to dry. I'll just put that over there. And the sanding fixture, you have these pieces with the notches on the top, and they're going to go through the tabs on the piece of the large square rectangular piece. Like that. These actually fit a little nicer. And then this piece goes along here to hold it together. Trying to do this upside down. Just like that. And then we're going to put glue fillets all along the bottom. Don't forget that little corner right there. Okay. And smooth it out so that the glue will dry faster. And on the surface, make sure that the rails are clean of any glue, because this also has to sit flat on the table, and we don't want it higher on one side than the other. So just take your finger and just make sure there's no glue on that. And I'm not going to put any glue on the top side because I want that as flat as possible. So that's the assembly of the wing jigs. And in the next video, we'll start sanding the wing. So get prepared for that.